Now we're going to talk a little bit more about when we want to key up multiple keys, more than two, for a lock. So let's say in our scenario here, the guy says, look, these two offices are together, and we want A to open up B. We want the master key to open up B. We want the key for B to work B. So normally here you just have the A and the master. Here you have the B and the master, but also you've got to add the A key. So let's say the B key, this is now the A key, this is our master, this is our A key here. And let's add a, now we're going to add the, I'm sorry, that's the A key, sorry. All right, the A key, but we also want to add a B key. Let's just make up a key number. Let's call it, well, we'll use something off the chart. We're going to go on to key number 3, just so you can follow it easy. It's a 4, 5, 3, 3, 2. So now how are we going to get all 3 of these keys to work that door? Because that's what it comes down to. Master key, the A key, and the B key have to work this door. That's all you got to know. So what we're going to do is the same thing again. We're going to start right here with our we're going to do our little math at the bottom. We're going to have our bottom pin. We're going to have our top pins. But we're going to have 2 layers of top pins because we've got extra keys. So which is the smallest pin here? Well, it's the 1. Okay. What's the next pin? It's a 3. Okay. But these both have 4 here. There's no more pins, so we don't really need to put anything at that next spot right there. We're just going to put X. Let's go on to the next one. Now this is a little trickier. Now we've got 3 numbers. We've got a 3, 4, and a 5. Here we only had 2 numbers, so that was pretty easy. Nothing goes here. Okay. Well, our shortest pin is a 3, right? The next shortest pin is a 4. What do we need to add to it to make the 4 work? A 1. Very good. The next shortest pin is a 5. What do we need to get from a 4 to a 5? A 1. Very good. Now we go to our next pin chamber here. What's the shortest pin? It's a 1. The next shortest is a 3, so what do we need to add? 2. Very good. And to make the 4 work, we need another 1. And here, it's 1. We need a 2 to make the 3 work, right? And then from 3 to 5, we need another 2. Here we've got a 2, 5, and 6, so 2 is the shortest one. Next shortest one's a 5. We need a 3, very good. And then to make the 5 to a 6, we need a 1, very good. So if we load our bottom pins, the pointed ones, right? 1, 3, 1, 1, 2. And then the next we go with flat pins, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3. And then flat pins again. We would leave this one empty. We just have to put 1, 1, 2, 1. So that sometimes that third row may only have 1 pin in it, depending on the layout. Okay? And so let's just pick one of these. We're just going to pick this one right here as an example. And let's just draw this out on the longest pin in this category was a 4, right? But we wanted a 1 to work it, we wanted the 3 to work it, and we wanted the 4 to work it. Well, 4 is the longest, so that's the top of our pin. So imagine us cutting this up. We cut it at the 3 spot, and we cut it at the 1 spot. So we put a 1, then we added 2, then we added 1. That way we've got this shear line for when the 1 key's in there. We've got this shear line when the 3 is in there, because together those equal 3, right? And then we've got one more so that together all of them equal the 4 shear line. That's all?
Yes, 4.
Okay, great. So we're going to stop right there, but that's sort of multiple master keying. And then we're going to look next at actually pinning up some cylinders. So what I'd like you to do is I want you to pin up a cylinder that's going to allow the 1 key and the 2 key to work. Right? Very good. We'll stop there. I'll turn that one off. All right.